You think your electric car can take you across the country? Yeah, right. How far can I really drive my Tesla before it turns into a super expensive paperweight? Buckle up. I've got answers that'll shock you faster than a squirrel on a power line. But hold up. Before you start mapping your cross-country road trip, hit that like button if you've ever had range anxiety. We've all watched that battery dip below 20% and started sweating like a chicken in a KFC commercial. So, let's get honest. That EPA range, it's about as real as my gym membership. The sticker says 300 miles, drive with the AC on, blast your favorite tunes. Boom! You're lucky to get 220. Cold weather, you're basically driving a potato with wheels. And don't get me started on charging. Fast charge, they say. Go get a haircut, grab lunch, maybe learn French while you wait. Oui, morange. Here's a meme. Mom, why don't you visit more? Me. I drive electric, but hey, electric cars are getting better. Some can hit 350 miles if you drive like your grandma, minus the knitting needles. If you're road tripping, plan your stops like an overcaffeinated squirrel. The secret: apps that map out chargers better than I plan my life. So how far can you really drive? Depends on your car, your playlist, how many snacks you bring. Drop a comment with your wildest road trip fail. Subscribe for more or your battery will mysteriously die at 2% next time. Hey, did you catch the hidden meme? Rewind and see if you spot it. Oops, wrong clip. Loop tip. End with a teaser so people rewatch. Plan stops, snacks, playlist, repeat, watch the weather. AC will eat your range. Use charger mapping apps. They're lifesavers. Drive like your grandma. Calm and steady wins the range. Or be an over-caffeinated squirrel. Your choice. Real-world ranges vary. Read real tests, not just stickers. May your range be longer than your ex's excuses. Quick poll. Road trip or fly? Click in the poll. Loop hook. I hit a meme. Rewatch the start. Share this in 3 places. Help YouTube notice us. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. One more tip. Bonus. Precondition the battery before a charge for faster times. Time your chargers around food breaks. Efficiency hack. Fake mistake trick. Makes things feel raw. Mic drop. But please don't actually drop your phone at a charger. Remember the paperweight? Rewind if you missed it. 220 on a hot day, 350 on a chill cruise. It's a spectrum. Comment yes if you ran out of range once. I'll read them all. Next video. I test an EV cross-country. Subscribe to not miss the meltdown. See ya on the road. And may your range be longer than your ex's excuses. Rewind. Spot the hidden meme. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta. Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you next Tuesday.